The stock market is tanking. It has lost trillions of dollars in the last few months, and you most likely are worried, scared, maybe panicking, and you are trying to figure out what you should do next. So I'm here to help. Well, the first thing I need you to do is take a pause and take a deep breath and stay calm. But I know it is hard to do when you're seeing charts like this or headlines like this. It becomes really hard to not panic and feel very nervous. But what I will tell you, the worst thing you can do right now is to begin panic selling, because that is going to guarantee only one thing. You are not going to ultimately build wealth if you don't have any equity in the market. If you are serious about investing and building wealth, things like this are going to happen. It is par for the course as a long-term investor. As an investor, you cannot get caught up in the short term. You must be focused on the long term and the bigger picture. And this is why charts like this one down below are really important to focus on. So this is the S&P 500 and its performance in the last 5 years. So if you look at where we were 5 years ago, first think about where we were 5 years ago. We were right in the middle of the pandemic. The stock market was also crashing. We were quarantining, people were dying, and things were just a big mess, and there was so much uncertainty. And even though things looked really bad and really bleak in 2020, in the last 5 years, the stock market has rebounded and has since doubled in value. But if you were panic selling in 2020, you did not see any benefit of the stock market rebounding. And what we don't want to do is repeat history by panic selling today, because that means down the road, you will also not receive any of that benefit in the future. So if you are serious about building wealth, when the stock market takes a hit, you have to be able to ride that out. Now, what is also important to note is when the stock market does take a dip, that could be a great time to buy stocks at a much cheaper price. And if you do need to sell your stocks, do it from a place of strategy and level headedness, not from a place of panicking and being scared and worrying. That is the worst way to make any investment decisions. But if investing in the stock market is a bit too volatile for you to handle right now, what you can do is focus on the other parts of your financial house. That means increasing your savings, paying down debt, or if you are a homeowner, work on making improvements to that asset. So let me know in the comments down below, how are you handling the stock market right now? Are you increasing your investments? Are you decreasing your investments? Or are you just not investing in the market at all?